This is the Linyo H1, the world's first all-in-one cordless car washer. It cleans, waxes, and vacuums using just a half gallon of water, 0 cords, and leaves absolutely no mess behind. Today we got a really cool chance to work with a really cool company to get this car sorted for some of the next modifications we're gonna do. Which you can see, my M5 has been dirty ever since we installed the exhaust from the previous episode. We have everything we need right here in a very portable package. You see it even has wheels too. We have Linyo's car wash liquid, which is a high foam car wash liquid, and this thing will suds and foam up the entire M5. And then we also have paint protectant with the nano ceramic coating. So this is going to pretty much protect all the washing that we do. They also include their own car wash towels. We have one there. And in this little cubby hole, we even have more down there. And this thing only runs off a half gallon of water. So you pretty much just take this thing right here, you fill it up with water, and then you put it in just like that. I'm sure you guys are wondering, how is this thing even portable? There it is. You got your own battery that you can install and charge. You can pull it out, take it inside, charge it. The motor as well, which you can remove and reinstall. With this super quick setup, just press the bubble button to spray and start. Keep in mind, you can step onto the box itself and start with washing the roof. Now already, this thing is laying the foam down super easy, super nice. Because this car is pretty dirty, I'm gonna soap it down pretty good. I'm gonna try and do this whole panel all in one go. This thing really glides across the paint. I'm adding like real light pressure. So those of you guys worry about it scratching your paint, it's literally feeding water. As soon as you apply enough pressure, you'll see the light turn green. And it's feeding water and it's sucking everything up. Just look how fast the entire driver's side gets clean. Once you understand how this machine works, it's super easy to get things done fast, and it's very satisfying to watch. When there's residual soap, just grab the towel to clean things up. I am blown away on how fast it took me to completely wash the entire rear end on this M5. You can easily fill this Linyo up with a half gallon of water and fully clean a car in 20 minutes or less. Now, we need to address the interior. You can remove both the battery and the motor, connect them together, and attach the included attachments, and start vacuuming the entire interior. In this case, it was disgusting and very satisfying to see everything come clean again. There's a button on the box to self-clean the unit after use. And as you can see, it's super easy to shut down shop for the day. Put the lid on the box, pick it up, and if you need to, place it in your trunk, and that's it. Now the M5 is parked back up in the spot, and we really could have washed the car here. For those of you out there who have garage spots like this, you can easily do it. The Linyo worked out super great. If you guys are interested in getting yourself or a loved one a Linyo box, I'll leave all links in the description. Be sure to keep an eye out for any discount codes to save yourself or a loved one some money. That being said, definitely stay tuned for the main episodes upcoming for the V10 manual M5. We have some super sick modifications ready to be installed at this current moment. Stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.